Hi there, I'm Marina from AppJobs.com, and today I'm going to be talking about a very important topic for you, an app jobber out there. We're going to be talking about insurance. So by the end of this video, you will know everything when it comes to insurance for some specific job categories we have on our website. So let's do this. The gig economy is starting a new era when it comes to working relations. But what does this mean? That sometimes the gig worker falls into a gray area zone that has not yet been charged, especially when it comes to being insured while doing the job. For example, what happens if you're delivering some food and you get into an accident? What if you damage a place while you're cleaning it? And what if a pet that you're taking care of gets injured or lost? All of these are plausible concerns and you should not be too worried about it. You just need to be well informed. There are solutions for all of this, so let's go through it. Insurance for drive and delivery partners. Some driving platforms like Lyft do offer their own insurance, but they do require you to have a personal insurance as well. The main thing for you to remember is that when you're not online, you are covered only by your personal insurance. And there is a different coverage for when you have your app on, waiting to be hailed, and also for when you have a passenger on board. Make sure to understand every information when it comes to the platform's insurance before you start everything. It is a similar case if you're working with a company like DoorDash, for example. It provides access to auto insurance, but it only applies to when you are delivering and to damages you cause to third parties. When it comes to Foodora, you have to deal with your insurance by yourself and investigate together with the insurance company what's gonna cover you. Insurance for cleaner and housekeepers. What if you take a job that requires you to clean or take care of someone else's place? Any damage can happen even though you are the most responsible and cautious person in the world. Usually platforms like Care.com and Housekeeper do not offer insurance. Such platforms advise the independent cleaner to make sure to cover their insurance by themselves. Other offers like TidyApp do offer a minimum insurance when little damages happen, like a broken glass, for example. So again, we recommend that before you start working with a company, you make sure you understand everything about their insurance or lack of it, and what you need to do when it comes to that. Insurance for pet sitters. How about when you have cute pets under your supervision? It might give you a lot of joy, but it can also be a little bit stressful. What if something happens to the pet under your watch, or what if the pet causes some damage while you're taking care of them? Well, companies like Care.com, DogBuddy, and Rover have thought about you, and they have an insurance that covers all of those things, so you don't need to worry about that. Care.com prompts you to contact their insurance provider to learn all the details when it comes to pet insurance. But generally it covers liability and the animal's well-being while it's under your watch. While Rover offers the Rover Guarantee, which covers every stay and every walk booked by the app. So it covers eventual injuries on a pet that you're taking care of, or on your pet while you're hosting another dog, or physical damage to the pet owner's apartment or something like that. There are exceptions, of course, so make sure to always know every detail. DogBuddy also provides complimentary public liability insurance and veterinary coverage by everything that is booked through the app. Again, make sure to read the details so you don't get any surprises on the way. Now that's pretty much it when it comes to insurance for drivers, delivers, cleaning, and pet sitting jobs. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was and you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!